Welcome to the Reports Introduction video. We're going to cover all the basic options. Use the Cash and Tourney buttons to switch between Cash and Tourney reports. Add reports using the More Report button. Date range filters are here. More filters are all the intense filtering options we have. Game type is Omaha Hold'em. This Apply to All Reports button will apply any filter you have on the current report to all your other reports. The other really cool thing about this button is you can also use it to clear filters from all reports. Just click the Clear Filter button, then Apply to All Reports. Most options auto-refresh on the Report tab, but use the Refresh button if filter changes are not taking effect. The other options are slightly darker in color if you look closely. That's because these ribbon options are spread throughout the various tabs. Settings, hand porting, and HUD options have blue question marks with FAQ and video links if you need further information. We showed you how to add a report. Now let's change what report is displayed and add a couple stats to a report. Click the Stats button to add stats to a report. The left column are the stats in the report, the middle column are categories, and the far right column are stats we can add. At the top right, you can even search stats to aid in stat retrieval. I love looking at EV, so let's add money won and the corresponding EV stat here. You can double click a stat to add it or use the arrows at the bottom. Now I hate that. Lost 491 in this situation and I should have won 72 bucks. You can even graph every single report. Let's look at my position graph. Looks fairly standard. If you pay attention, there are some interesting things to be learned here by switching what stat to graph here. The position report is a great place to start when analyzing your game for leaks. The hand view in the bottom left gives you a quick look at specific hands highlighted in the above report. Right-click a hand to tweet it or upload to the HM2 iPhone app. You can also mark hands for review here along with some other options. The last 251,000 in all options filter for how many hands are displayed in the hand view. Show only marked hands will filter hands based on what hands you have marked for review. Click the Results Graph tab to view a graph of the hands selected in the reports. Click Hold'em Hole cards to see a heat map hand chart for money won and hand frequency. There's even some quick filters on the bottom left of the Hold'em Hole cards tab. To the right is the replayer and hand viewer, which we cover in the replayer video. If you have questions, don't hesitate to post on our forums.